What's good, everyone? In this video I will be showing you how I face painted myself as Captain Marvel. Gonna talk with my eyes open now. Captain Marvel is coming out, I think today or Friday or both, or I don't know, but it's coming out this week and I'm super hyped for it. I feel like I don't know anything about the movie. I know that there have been some trailers, I reacted to some trailers, but I don't think that she's a very well-known superhero. You know, everyone knows who Spider-Man and Superman and Batman, Captain America, Iron Man, all these super well-known superheroes. Yeah. But I've never heard of Captain Marvel before. I had never heard of Guardians of the Galaxy before either, and that's like my favorite Marvel movie now, so maybe Captain Marvel's gonna be my favorite too. But it's coming from Marvel, so I mean, come on, it's gotta be awesome, right? So I thought, what better way to celebrate than to face paint myself as Captain Marvel. Now I almost just face painted my shoulders here, but I did see a couple of screenshots where she had a full face mask. I didn't want to do the bald cap and mohawk thing, so I kind of cheated and did the mask with the hair, but I think it looks good still. I haven't face painted myself in a while, but as always, if you have drawing or face painting requests, then let me know in the comments down below because I would love to do them. And without further ado, let's get started. First, I started painting all of the yellow parts. Usually I start with an outline, but because this is such a bright color, I didn't want the dark outline to smudge it. I approached this kind of like how I usually do teeth on other face painting videos that I've done. However, this part was really hard for me to try and figure out where I wanted the collar to start in regards to the yellow, as you can see here. So I tried drawing in the collar part where I thought it would be, but it didn't look right, so I ended up outlining a little bit of the blue area and then continuing with the yellow. For the eyes that need to be yellow, I kind of painted it on like an eyeliner, and then while it was still wet, I opened my eyes as big as I could so I could see exactly where my crease needed to be painted. Did the same for the other side. Then I started painting the red. Also, fair tip, just make sure that you don't use too much water because it could start dripping down, as you can see here. I started freaking out a little bit, but I saved it. Another thing I would say, since we're talking about tips, at the very end, I would suggest possibly outlining everything in black. I thought about doing that. I probably would have if this wasn't like 1 in the morning when I filmed this, but in case you wanted to give this whole thing a little extra something, that's what I would do. I would outline everything in black last. After painting the big areas, I took a really tiny detail brush to go through and sharpen the lines and fill in the small areas of the red. Time for the blue. First, I just started with the regular blue color that I had, but I thought it looked too bright and vibrant, so I mixed it in with some black to make it darker. And just like the red, I filled in the big areas first and later went back through with a smaller detail brush. Then I had to add the blue details on the mask, and the blue went over the red a whole lot better than I thought that it would. I thought it would start mixing and turn kind of purple, but it went on perfectly. And lastly, I went through with a really dark red, almost black, to give a couple more details on the shoulder blades and the face. Let me know in the comments down below if you are excited to see Captain Marvel, or if you've already seen it, let me know all of your thoughts. I don't care for spoilers. Still put that spoiler mark on there just in case other people are reading through the comments. And that is pretty much it for this video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, hit that like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, hit subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.